Today we're diving into the features of the BISSELL Air 320 Smart Air Purifier, a powerhouse designed for large rooms and homes. This air purifier is not only a smart choice for your indoor air quality but also supports a great cause, as every purchase helps save homeless pets through the BISSELL Pet Foundation. Perfect for medium to large spaces like kitchens, bedrooms, and living rooms, it boasts a HEPA certification to filter rooms up to 327 square feet with 4.8 air changes per hour, and can handle spaces as large as 1,582 square feet with 1 air change per hour. Its 3-stage filtration system includes a fabric pre-filter, an activated carbon filter, and an H13 medical-grade HEPA filter, capturing 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, effectively removing allergens and irritants such as dust, pet dander, pollen, and smoke. The honeycomb-structured carbon filter is packed with activated carbon pellets, engineered to trap gases, VOCs, and common household odors from pets, cooking, and smoke. With a commercial-grade brushless digital DC motor and a powerful XL fan, the air purifier draws air through the front and releases clean air from the top, while the automated CirQulate system uses a PM 2.5 particle sensor to monitor air quality and adjust fan speed accordingly. Enjoy library quiet performance with 5 fan speeds, ensuring that even at its lowest setting, the purifier remains as quiet as a library, making it perfect for any room in your home.